Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add shake and bounce animations on Capcut. So in this case, I'm gonna be applying the animations into photos. So you can actually combine more than one animations, and here is how to do that. So first, I'm going to add the first animations. Just click on the photo or video, click on animations, and for the first one, I'm going to choose in and select the shake tree animation. So in here you can also adjust the duration, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Click on a check icon and then click on animation again, and now I'm going to add the bounce animation in the combo. Just click on combo and then find the bounce one. Okay, so just wait, where is it? Wait a second. Okay, so in here I'm going to choose the bounce one, click on that and then click on the check icon, and then the photo will go like this. You can apply it to all of your photos or videos. Okay, so that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, leave a comment, like this video and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Thank you.